It is. No, don't. Yeah, there you go. Okay, now pick it up and put it on the tailgate there. Go ahead and shoot another one, and I'll video you shooting some more, and then we'll go look and see where you've hit. We should have got a video of you shooting the bullseye. And the best thing to do, Caden, is when you unbolt it and pull the old shell out, do it right over the tailgate, and then that way it'll.
Did you stop the video?
Go ahead. We'll get you. Your arms aren't long enough to have the gun far enough away from your head. No, it won't. It won't. It won't. We don't. You don't want to do it all day long, but a little bit isn't going to hurt you.
Hi guys, these are the two guns I just shot. It was a 22 revolver and my 22 bolt action rifle. This is my first ever gun. My second one ever.
Getting ready to outgrow.
Yeah, I'm about to outgrow this one. I got a bullseye earlier with this. This one, I don't even know if I even hit the target. I probably didn't.
You hit it once.
I hit it once, my grandpa just said. And this one really hurt my ear bad. Alright, where was it? It's loaded. This isn't. Well, goodbye now.